I'm Tanzila.
I'm Temusu.
Today, we would like to introduce you to the real Evangelion action figures which can be bought from the supermarket.
Have you ever looked at the supermarket that they got a figure?
No, I have never. And this is called Shokugan. Shoku means food. So you can get this one when you buy the food and you get it as a present.
So just go ahead to the snack corner in supermarket and you will get it.
It's a super wanted action figure that I don't think of as a bonus.
Let's start building! Alright, now we're gonna start making this Shokugan Evangelion action figure. Open the armor first. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, this is the unit one and it has all these parts here as you can see. And these are the lineups here, the modes, and it will look somewhat like this. I am super excited. Yeah, it looks so strong. Let's open it.
You see?
Oh, the open, yeah.
And then just put your hand here.
It looks somewhat like this. So what is inside? Okay, it has a huge pack. Wow. It comes up with this and this. It's a lot of small product.
This one. Small snack.
That's what you get.
What is that? Chewing gum?
I think so, maybe. These are the parts.
Here,
We will assemble
figure.
together.
Yeah.
And this is our armor.
You see, it's box, it's nothing. But actually, they have here.
Okay.
There you have a. You have how to make inside here. Wow.
Wow, this is like a master script. Here you have all these things piled up here, assembled just for you, so that you can make your perfect Evangelion action figure. So we have it here. We're gonna keep it aside. So for the next step, we have our frame for the armor. So the packaging is the same, and we're gonna open it and see. We have the frame, guys. So for the frame, we have some assortments, 1, 2, 3. And then we have our manuscript for the frame. Can we do it? Let's try! First, we're gonna cut the packets, the moment of joy. So all the stuffs are out and ready to stand.
You just take everything as a part.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And this one. Okay, and this one, this part. Okay, here we go.
This is one leg, and we're in the process of just finishing the other one. As you can see, we've made the 2 legs.
And then arm.
Okay, as you can see, the body is done. Let's get into the frame. Let's build the legs first because those are very powerful. The parts are here in the frame and we have to break it, bring it out.
As you see here, they got a right fold, left fold. So on here, they got a number.
Oh, that's so cool. That makes it easy to make.
Firstly, they say take it apart.
One armor is complete for one leg.
Let it out.
So here is the final product. After a long time, finally made it. Look at the details. It's so good from each and every color, from purple to yellow to green. As you can see, that it's super detailed and within 500 boxes each. So in total, within 1,000 yen, you can literally make a whole action figure just by yourself. It has given all the instruction. You just have to have a lot of time and energy to do it. So how do you like our Evangelion action figure compilation video? I know it took us forever because we're not used to it, but then again, as you can see, the accessories, they're like scattered and you can use them literally on anything and they're movable, so it's very fun to play around.
If you come to Japan, you can get it as a souvenir for your friend. It's really good quality from supermarket, is it? What
Yeah, I was also thinking that even though you can buy it from a supermarket, the quality is actually good. It's not like broken or very cheap quality.
Yeah.
So I think this is something also very nice about the product.
I think it's worth to pay.
Yeah.
And if this is a really good reference for you, please give us a like and subscribe our OMUSUBI channel. And if you have another recommend, please give us a comment below. Bye!